Hello beauties, welcome back to another Resilient Beauty video. Today I'm coming to you with some swatches of the new Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Contour. And I have the shade Serene and Tranquil. So since I have this bare face before I apply my makeup and I have a lot of new products, I wanted you guys to see these true new liquid contours from Rare Beauty on my true natural skin tone before I apply any products. So you'll be seeing a series of blush swatch videos, and I decided to add these liquid contours from Rare Beauty in the mix. So we're going to go ahead and swatch these bad boys really quick and show you guys how they look, and then you'll see like how everything looks with a full beat face. Okay, so stay tuned and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So first up, we are going to swatch the liquid contour in the shade Serene, again by Rare Beauty. I love the Rare Beauty brand. There's a lot of products that I love from this brand, and I love that they're affordable. Even though they're at Sephora, I love that they are affordable. So on this side, we're going to swatch the shade Serene, and I will be using my Morphe E63 brush to blend this out. If they still make this brush, because Morphe has been going through a lot of changes with the company, I'll have it linked or something comparable. So let's go ahead. This is how it looks. It looks really good. I picked up two shades because I wanted to have one as a more of a contour and one as a liquid bronzer. I like that. This one looks like more of a bronzer on me, which I'm not mad about. It blends out very well. It's not too liquidy. It doesn't dry down super fast, so you have time to work with it. It's a very pretty shade. The formula is definitely consistent with the foundation, which I love, and I love that shade on me. This will be more of a liquid bronzer for me. Love that shade. You can build it up, so let's try it again so you guys can see it a little bit more intensified. Love it. This is gonna work. I can already tell this is going to work. So again, this is the shade Serene. Next, we're going to try Tranquil on the other side. This shade is probably more of a contour shade for me, which is, sorry y'all, which is fine. Make sure nobody use this, because sometimes they be giving you stuff that somebody don't return. So this one is a little deeper, and I did want one to be like more of a dramatic when I want like a snatch face. And I love that the undertones are more neutral than gray, because I think that gray give you that casket look. Told my husband, if I go first, make sure they do my makeup good. I'll be having me in there looking on, man. And I'm known to be the beauty queen. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, I like this one too. These do retail, I believe, for $28. Oh, I like both of these. This one is more of like for natural days. This is more for when I'm like date nights and really want a real snatch beat. And I feel like these both will work good on your nose. For like a liquid contour, let's try. Because the consistency is not bad. Yeah, I think that'll work. This is not too wet and it blends out really good. But look at that. I went a little bit more intense so you guys can really see it. So it may be a little bit more harsh on camera. But I like both of these. I'm glad I picked these up. These are really, really nice. We're going to use these today when we do our makeup. Let me see if I have a small brush to blend this out. I don't. So we're going to use my finger and see. Oh yeah, this will work as a nose contour. I probably put too much on, but the consistency is good. The consistency is good. Yeah, they blend out very, very, very well. Very well. I like these. All right, I'm just gonna rewash my whole face again. I was just gonna freshen it up, but we're just gonna rewash it all again. But this is the new Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Contour in the shades Serene and Tranquil. and I love them on immediate first impression. The consistency, the pigmentation, even without primer and stuff on, it sets down, doesn't move, give you a great look. So usually Rare Beauty does not disappoint me most times. My top brands are Rare Beauty, Fenty Beauty, Danessa Myricks, Juvia's Place. Those are like my top beauty brands. So I didn't think she would disappoint this time either. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see all you beauties in the next Resilient Beauty video. Bye.